If you already spent your stimulus check but you want to upgrade your head unit and are on a budget, take a look at the Acoustik PD-623B. This double din is not going to blow your hair back with features, but it sells for under $150. Inside the box is a warranty card, wiring harness, wireless remote control, mounting brackets, hardware, trim panel, owner's manual, and a double din head unit. The rear connections include wiring harness for power ground and speaker, 3 sets of 2.5 volt preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, backup camera, 2 video outputs, and radio antenna. The 6.2-inch display of the PD-623B isn't anything to write home about, but it's okay. 800 by 480 pixels. Clear resistive touchscreen, which isn't the most responsive I've ever tested. DVD playback looks solid on the head unit. The operating system is a little mundane, but it gets the job done. The front panel features a USB input for phone charging and USB thumb drive playback, a micro SD card slot for audio, image, and video playback, and a 3.5mm auxiliary input. Via a USB thumb drive or micro SD card, the head unit can play back MP3 and MPEG-4 files. Bluetooth provides hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming from your device. Bluetooth is the only way to play back any audio from your smartphone onto this head unit, but it provides no music tags of any kind. The USB port will not support music playback from your smartphone. The radio tuner features 18 FM and 12 AM presets. I'm loving the rotary dial on this head unit. Acoustik gives you customization over the wallpaper, and audio settings. So for under $150, would you take a flyer on the Acoustik PD-623B? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, join the conversation, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.